Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I'm going to show you how to make by default for the PDF files. So if your PDF file is not opening by default in the Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader or Foxit or any other application if you are using, if you want to make the PDF file as a default for the specified file or a specified uh, you have to open any PDF file with the specified application so we can uh, open any PDF easily and we can make as default for the all the PDF files in your PC. So how we can do the default PDF? It is a simple steps to make a PDF default. So you can see here there is I have two types of PDF applications. So I will choose here the I have here PDF file. You can see Microsoft Edge PDF document. So if I click here it will open directly in Microsoft. So you can see here this it is asking Microsoft Edge or Foxit PDF reader, Adobe Acrobat, Foxit PDF editor. Once you click just once, so it is open in the Microsoft Edge directly. But I don't want to open in Microsoft Edge. What I will do, just right click here, or if you are again if you're trying to open, if you click always, it will open by default in the Microsoft Edge only. But what we will do now, just right click on any PDF file and just if you click open with, you can see here choose another app. Just select this one and you can select any file, any application from here to open PDF files from that application. So I will select here, you can see here Foxit PDF Reader or Adobe Acrobat. I will choose for example Foxit PDF Reader. If I click always, it will open always in Foxit PDF Reader. Just click always. You can see here it is open. It is open in the Foxit Reader by default. You can see here the logo is changed. So if I want to change to Adobe, choose another app, Adobe Acrobat. I'm choosing this always. Why? So whenever you download any PDF file in your desktop or documents, downloads, C drive, D drive, anywhere in your local PC, it will open all the PDF file directly. It will open through Adobe Acrobat. For example, if I click always, you can see the file is open. You can see the logo is changed. So these are the simple steps to change to the PDF files to default. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.